We do pipeline construction for different operators in the West Virginia, Southeast Ohio, Western Pennsylvania area. In this part of the country, we deal with a lot of rough conditions. We get a lot of rain, we get a lot of nasty weather. Even in the wintertime, we're dealing with ice, we're dealing with snow, mud. These RT9s, they make it a lot easier going up and down those hills. Sometimes we need to weld 2 joints on the hillside. We can't get pickup trucks on that hillside. There's almost nowhere that we can't go with these RT9s. We have an open bed, so we put the welding machines on the Terramacs, put compressors on them. We have all the leads, all the extension cords, oxygen bottles, acetylene bottles. They climb up and down the hills, no problem.
We lay pipe out here to transfer gas from one point to another. The RT9 Terramac makes things a lot easier, especially when you're going up and down hills. To operate one, just pretty easy. Put them in an open spot, they figure it out in 10 minutes. It's well maintained, it does a great job out here.
The Terramac, the RT6 is a little bit smaller. We use them for different applications. Some of them have dump beds on them. You know, sometimes when we take the dirt out for a ditch, we can't put it right there on the right of way. So we put it in the dump bed, take it up the hill, dump it. The RT6 turns right around, comes back down the hill, gets us anywhere we need to be on the right of way.